Alrighty guys, welcome back. Today guys, we're currently back out here in the driveway taking another quick look at my 2000 Ford Excursion here. Now today's video we're actually going to be looking at my rock lights once again. So I was looking back at the channel at some of my older videos made a few weeks ago, and one of them was the video about my rock lights and just showing you guys how I mounted them, where I mounted them, and how I ran the wires and stuff, and just overall how they looked. So I got my little key fob thing here, which is the controller for it. It has A, B, C, and D on it. A turns them on and off, B does the brightness, D changes the colors, and C makes them flash and stuff like that. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and turn them on real quick and just give you guys a quick look at just how they look. Just show you guys how they look and all that. And also I'm going to show you guys, because I remounted my rock lights. Originally, if you guys did see the first video on my rock lights, I had one here and one here. So I had two in my front wheel well, one in the middle, and one in the back wheel wells. All right, so I switched it to now I have one in each wheel well and one here and one there. So I have two in the middle, one in each wheel well, same on the other side. And yeah, they're all drilled in now. Originally they were all zip tied up. Now there's two screws in that one, two screws on the other side on the back ones, two screws in the fronts, and yeah, they stay up just fine. And if you guys remember, I had a big nest of wires here. As you guys can see, I deleted those wires, and now there's where they go up to my battery, and then I have them hidden down here. So I cut them, took out all the extra wire, all the excess wire I had, and then I went ahead and the only wires I had left, because I have a box mounted up, the box to it, the controller box mounted behind this. Not like actually behind like this flap here, but I do have it up against the frame somewhere so that it's protected from the elements. And then the wires coming from it, went ahead and ran behind the frame here. Originally I just had this big bird's nest of wires, which is really unprofessional, looked pretty bad, and they're just all right there. So now I have them a little bit more hidden. These ones are, now I just have one LED rock light pod here in each wheel well, and now I have, as you guys can see, one there, same on the other side, and then this one was always screwed in. Now, as I already said in the previous video on my rock lights, I really do wish that I could just drill a little hole right here, you know, so you can only see this much wire, so I can take this other end of this wire and just put it right through there, and then run it down across the frame so it doesn't look bad like this, you know. But this is an SUV, so it goes straight into my cab into there, you know. Let me just show you guys the key fob a little bit more while I'm down here. All right, A, B, C, and D. B, can change the brightness, it'll dim it, and then turn it back up as well, make it even brighter. D changes colors. And also guys, the controller will work even back here. Doesn't have to be facing it. It's a really good controller. Goes through all the colors. Got blue here. Also guys, still lights up my truck a good bit. You guys can see, I believe this is like, because this is RGBW, guys. All right, now that's like yellow. Yeah, this isn't their white. Their white is like a little bit more bluish because they're not pure whites, guys. So I wish I had the premium pure whites along with the RGB, but that costs a lot more, and I didn't really look into all that before I did the installation of my rock lights. Also guys, just figured I'd go ahead and open up my doors and just show you guys something real quick. So now that my doors are open, we got the rock lights and the interior lights on, and they're matching. Just figured I'd show you guys that. That's one of my favorite parts, is I got LED interior lights. Lights up the interior pretty well. And then rock lights too. You can turn them to the same color. There's an app, there's a separate app to control my rock lights called Smart Life. And then there's an app to control my interior lights called Govee Home. And there's also a little controller switch, or a controller that can switch the colors, just like I have a controller on my key ring here. And let me show you guys party mode here. Make them flash and stuff, and there's different flashing patterns and whatnot on the app. You can make your own custom ones. Here's the faster ones. You can slow them down. You can make them just fade in and out. You can also slow down the fading by hitting B. Watch this, guys. See, now it's a slower fade. Is it faster now? No, now it's slower. Look how slow that is. Come on. little bit quicker now. I don't want to do flashing. I want to be able to make them faster. A little bit faster. I like that right there. So yeah, guys, we got one rock light there, one rock light there, one there, and one there. Originally we had 2 zip tied up in there, not even screwed in. I had like one there and one there. Same on the other side. And then I only had one in the middle, one in the back. I wish I would have gotten 12, so I could do 2 here, 2 in there, 2 in each wheel well, pretty much, and then 2 over here. I'm pretty sure I'd do that. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Yep. So yeah, I'd be able to do like one there and one there, and then one there, and then one here and one here, which lights it up a lot more. And that's how the professionals do it. A lot more, or a lot less hidden, or yeah, a lot more hidden wires, a lot less exposed wires, like that one there. I wish I could drill a hole right here. Same thing. I wish I can just put this wire so you can only see that much of the wire sticking out one, but the rest of it go into this hole and then go back behind it. But I couldn't really get that to work, sadly. Yeah, guys, I just did a terrible job with the previous video on my rock lights, so I figured I'd go back and recreate my previous video on my rock lights because I didn't like it. So figured I'd show you guys my rock lights again because I was not impressed or happy watching back over my previous rock light video. You know, it does light up under my truck a lot. I've left these on for a long time before with my truck off, and they don't even kill my battery at all, so they don't really take much power. And I do like all the settings on their key fob thing, wherever it's at on my keychain. So yeah, then you can just put it back to a solid color just by hitting the D1. And then I normally keep mine on green. Oh, there you go, right there. Make it brighter, dim it. There you go. You have to aim it at a certain spot if you're on the other side of the truck, but hey, the controller box still picks it up all right. There you go. That's it for the rock lights. I got all the wires hidden up against the frame. Ooh, I hit my head on the boat. The frame and stuff. And yeah, guys, so I'm a pretty big fan of these rock lights. You know, they don't have pure whites and stuff, but I actually am a big fan of the RGBs. One day I'll do it professionally and I'll upgrade to RGBW. Huh?
You should have went with blue.
Should have went with blue?
No, it looked pretty good. I don't know if blue needs to be legal with it.
You can't have them flashing, but I can get blue.
You got every color in the book, I bet.
Oh yeah.
Just get put in, did you?
Oh, I put them in a few weeks ago. I was making a little YouTube video on it.
Making a YouTube deal?
Oh yeah, I just do it for fun sometimes, but yeah.
Oh, I was gonna say I won't bother you.
Yeah, no, you're right.
Good,
Thank you, man.
truck.
Oh, thank you.
What year is the truck?
This is a 2000 Ford Excursion.
Excursion.
Yep. It's like a it's a F250, but with an SUV. It's like on a F250 frame, but it's an SUV. So yeah, it's pretty nice.
That's my favorite year. I got no 3, the blue one that's jacked up. I got.
Oh, that F-150?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's my favorite year.
Nice.
I love this body style.
Oh yeah, thank you.
Looks good, bud.
Yep, thanks, man. Yep, see you. So yeah, guys, I think that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I had a fan come over. Not really a fan, but just he lives at the end of my road. Never really talked to that guy before, I don't know him, but yeah, he still came and complimented the truck. So yeah, guys, that's it for the video on the rock lights. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like if you did, subscribe if you're new and you haven't already. With that, catch you guys very, very soon in the next one.